Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you some ways or some basic things about spreadsheet that you need to know. So here, let's open the documents. I already prepared to you the documents here. So I would like to go with this finance, but then in the sheets first. Okay, so I already have this. So the tips that I would like to show to you is how to get this color on the cells. So here, if you want to add a specific color in a specific cells, for example, just to differentiate between the debit or credit, the expense or the income, you just need to go block the cells that you want to add the colors with. And to block the cells, hold the whole cells, and after that, whenever you already block the cells that you want to give the color, you just need to focus on this bottom side. And in this bottom side, you just need to go click this part. And now you have an access about the color that you can add into the cells. If you're willing to have a yellow, just go click yellow, and there will be 8 options to get a yellow color. Just need to choose which yellow that you want. So now for the income or for the debit, we already have the specific color, and we still have another color, which is the expense. And let's differentiate it. So by do the same, lock the cells, and after that just go back into this part and choose the different color to differentiate with the previous one. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. So that's the tips or the basic things that I want to give to you today. So hopefully this tips has helped you to work with the Google Sheets on your job. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.